Hello, this short video is for Laurie. In our local park we've got a labyrinth, and when she did her Junk Journal July circle theme, I think it was a circle, it may have been another one, she actually slow stitched the shape and shared a picture of one she'd visited. So I thought today I'd take you to mine. So it's not a crafting session today, but it is kind of related to Junk Journal July. I did intend to come here and sit in this park and do my circle prompt, but we had some rain that day. It's very cloudy. It is cloudy today, but it's not raining. So I thought, well, I'll just come and show you. It's not exactly that exciting, but I just thought I'd show you. And we can take a gentle walk around it if you're interested. I hope you've enjoyed Junk Journal July UK. I say we've had an emphasis on self-care, mental health, relaxation. So we've had Laurie doing her wonderful creations every day, but also having a cup of tea with us. What wonderful tea she's had, and what wonderful china. And we've had Lindsey with her wonderful art journal, and she has done a couple of meditations, and we'll be introducing more of those as time goes on. It's a regular thing. If people are interested, you just have to let her know. And I think I will introduce a little bit of crafting in the park, or somewhere in nature anyway, and show you different areas that I visit. But today we're prompted by Laurie's wonderful stitching of this labyrinth shape, which is also free in a Ko-fi shop. If you saw the post I put up yesterday in my Ko-fi shop, it links to hers, and of course a video links to it as well. Now of course this one isn't exactly suitable for disabled. It's not flat, it's on a mound, so you'd need an off-road scooter, I guess, style if you was going around it. And it's not very wide either, but anyway, I just thought it'd be a nice thing to just do. Now the park that I'm in today has a castle, but unfortunately at the moment it's covered in a white sheet while they do it up. It's not a working castle, it's a what do you call it, ruin or whatever, and it's the castle keep is what's left of the original castle, and that's what they're doing. But at the moment it's covered in a white sheet, so it actually looks like a box in the sky. But I am told they are going to reveal it in August, so that will be nice. And when they do, I'm going to go up there and have a look, and if anyone's interested, I could film it so that you can see the castle and the panoramic view you get from the castle keep. So you just let me know in the comments if you're interested in anything like that. I don't think I'll probably be combining that with crafting, because I'm sure it'll be very busy, but we'll see if I can find a quiet spot to do something, and I will do. So here we are at the middle. It's not very exciting, but if it weren't for that tree and the fact the castle's covered, you'd get a good view of the castle from here. But the park itself's really, really lovely, really green. And I do walk through this park regular. So now I'm at the centre, I shall follow it out. So let me know how you've been getting on with your own Junk Journal Julys. If you've been doing anything a little different or more mindful than perhaps you normally would. If you perhaps were inspired by my 2-minute art journal. I don't know if you saw the video, it's just a quick one showing you just spend 2 minutes a day with a 2-inch square paper, whether you're sticking something on it or if you're doodling or drawing, whatever your skills are. Could be die cutting something, sticking it on, it's just sticking a sticker on, or cutting a shape out of a book or a stamped image and gluing it on, adding a bit of few squiggles to some grass or whatever suits the image. But it's just being mindful and just sitting down, taking that 2 minutes out, just for you, So I'm just doing this on my way back from town. I don't live very far from this park, and then I'm back at work this afternoon. I had this morning off to do a bit of line dancing, so I'm walking back from there. If I happen to sound out of breath, that will be why. I don't know if I do or not, but I'm trying to walk around this gentle while I talk. I could do with a little cut, there's a few little bits sticking out, but there we are. I just thought maybe nobody's interested in this, but it prompted me with Laura's, where she followed with her finger the whole labyrinth that she has. Like you say, you can print it off, you can then stitch it or just colour it in or whatever, and include it in any of your journals or perhaps a sewing project. And do let us know how you get on with that, if you use it, and if anything like this is of interest again. So I'm nearly coming to the end of it now. If you're getting bored, hope not, hope you stay to the end. Let's say, just let us know in the comments how you've been getting on with Junk Journal July. There's no deadline. I've still got 1 or 2 prompts to do, and then I'll do a flick through very soon. So I'm just coming to the end of the path now. So here we are. So I'll say goodbye for now, and I'll join you with a video again shortly, another day, or with a flick through. Okay, bye for now.